Dear participants, if you wonder what kind of projects, policies and measures already exist that address energy poverty in your municipality or country, or you just look for inspiration from around the world, all you need to do is visit the EPAH ATLAS. My name is Dimitra Drakaki and I'm gonna guide you through it. At the Energy Poverty Advisory Hub, we have collected so far more than 250 inspirational cases of projects, policies and measures developed to tackle different energy poverty aspects. In this list, you can find a collection of projects implemented at local, national and international level, related to data collection and measurement, but also projects and measures designed to alleviate the phenomenon and assist vulnerable consumers from the effects of it. You can easily browse through it in what we call the EPAH ATLAS. The Atlas is an interactive database that allows you to view all projects and measures in a map or in a list format, as well as apply different filtering options as you already saw. But let's take a look exactly on how it works. When you land on the page, you see a map that includes pins. Each pin represents a case. When you click on the pin, you land directly to the page of the case. On this page, you can see different types of information related to the case, whether it's a local, regional project, an international project, policy or measure, or a national project. You see a general description on the left column, and on the right column, some highlighted information, such as the partners involved, the type of funding the project received, the location where it's implemented, and which energy poverty phase it tackles. If you wish to go back to the overview, you can click on the bottom left the Go Back button. Going back to the landing page, we also have different filtering options. These options allow you to filter the cases based on the energy poverty phase, diagnosis, planning, and implementation. You can also apply filters related to the geographical scale of the project, international, national, regional, and local, and the intervention type of the project, including capacity building and training, household energy efficiency and refurbishment, data collection, and others. Other filters include the options of topic, country, professionals involved, and sustainable development goals, as well as the case of the status of the case, whether the project is concluded or it's ongoing. Do you wish to give it a try? Let's imagine you want to see all the cases that have developed learning material. Then you go to intervention type, capacity building and training. And now you want to combine some filters, and let's say you want to see whether this case has also tackled the planning phase. Then you just click apply and the list is filtered. To go back, you just need to click on the reset button. So the EPAH ATLAS is developed and maintained by the Energy Poverty Advisory Hub with the aim to provide inspiration to practitioners on the ground. The list of cases, of course, is not exhaustive, so we rely on you, the users, to keep it alive and useful. If you are aware of a project, a policy and measure that is not part of the Atlas yet, then you can submit it by clicking on the Submit New Case button. Then you just need to fill in all the relevant information and submit at the end. After submitting, you will receive on your mailbox a link where you can actually edit your submission. It takes a few days until the case is approved by the EPAH team, and then it will appear in the map and in the list. At the same time, if you spot a case that you are involved or that you are aware of that has been updated, then you can also contact the EPAH team at the info@energypoverty.eu to suggest changes. Thanks a lot, and let's keep the EPAH ATLAS alive.